Hello everyone. We are going to start with chapter number 1, Advanced Web Designing, lecture number 2. Topics are: first, HTML heading tags, second, HR tags. Okay, in HTML heading tags are what? A title or a subtitle that you want to display on your web page. Means when you want to add a title or subtitle to your web page, you are going to use this heading label tag according to the need. If you want a highest level heading, you can use H1. Okay, if you want smallest, you can use S6. These are a different heading labels tags. Okay, we can use for title and subtitle. Okay, this always start from new line. Okay, here next point, HTML provide 6 levels of heading tags. The range is from 1 to 6. This headings labels are represented as like this way. We are going to start with h1 tag, then whatever the text contain, then closing h1 tag. So it's your forward slash and h1 means it's a pair tag. Okay, the h1 tag display text in bold with the largest heading label. So it will display what? H1 largest heading label and bold. Next, h6 tag displayed text in the smallest heading label. So here these are your 6 levels of heading tags. First is h1, that is the largest heading label with bold tags. Then h1 close. Second is h2, h2 close. h3, h3 close. h4, h4 close. h5, h5 close. So this is your pair tag. Then last is h6, then contain, that is smallest heading, then h6 close. This way we are going to start the effect of heading label and closing the effect of heading label with the end tag. So these are your h1 to h6 heading label tag. Okay, next, attribute and values of heading tags. So it's your only one attribute with all the heading labels, that is align. So align is what? All the heading labels have attribute align with these values, that is left, right and center. What is that value? Left, it sets a content to the left align. What is right? It sets the content to the right align, that is right hand side. Next, center, it sets the content to the center, right? So your default alignment for heading is left. Okay, other than that two value is right and center. Here how we can write the syntax, that is our less than sign, then our tag, any heading label. Here we are use h1. So less than h1 single space, the attribute, that is align, equal to, okay, the value. If I want center, so I am going to use align equal to center. So here you have 3 value, left, right and center. You can use any one of them, right? So this is your syntax to write the tag and attribute. Next, hr tag. Okay, what is HR tag? HR tag is used to display a horizontal rule line. It's a singular tag, means no closing effect. Okay, it's a singular tag. Here, attributes of HR tag. First attribute is color. It sets the color to the horizontal rule. Okay, next, width. Width is what? It specifies the length of your rule line in percentage or a pixel. Means you can give the width of your HR in percentage, that is 100%, 80%, 70%, or in pixel, 200 pixel, 300 pixel. Okay, this way you can give the width of your screen. Next, size. It sets a thickness or height of your line. When you mention a size equal to 7, 10, so it is your height of your line in the pixel or thickness. Okay, next, align. Align is used to specify the alignment of your horizontal rule. Your default alignment is center. Okay, other than this value is left and right. Here the syntax we are going to write. that is less than sign, HR, single space, size equal to 2, align equal to left, width equal to 40% and color equal to red. Means your height of your HR is 2, then it is aligned to the left, and width is 40% of your screen, then color is equal to red. So this way your horizontal line is going to display. Okay, so we will see the one example, okay, of your heading, label and HR. So in this example, see, we are used first what in this particular web page, BG color as a yellow and text color as a red. After that we are use all the 6 heading label, that is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So these are 6 different heading label and 3 HR line is there. 1, 2 and 3. All the things are aligned different side, that is left side, right side and center side. Just see that H1 and first HR is displayed in the center. Alignment is center. Okay, and the color of first HR is red, second HR is green and third HR is blue. So this different level, then different size and width different. So we will see the code for this. Okay, so first H1 is aligned to the center, okay, second and third to the right, and this second HR is also aligned to the right, then fourth and fifth heading label are aligned to the left hand side, that is default, then left hand side last HR is aligned and last heading label is arranged to the center. So we will see the code one by one. So here our file is what, HTML5. So our first tag is less than sign, exclamation sign, doc type HTML. Means browser must be know we are going to create HTML5 web page. So next tag is HTML head. Within the head, what is the title? That is HTML heading label and HR tag. After that, title tag close, header section close. Next is body. Okay, what is body? We are use BG color. Okay, BG color is equal to yellow, text equal to red. Okay, means your background yellow and text red. Now first heading label and one HR is aligned to the center. So H1 align center, that is heading label 1, text is largest in the size, so H1 close. Okay, here effect of H1 is close. Next line is what, HR size equal to 7, width 80% and color is red. Okay, see that. Okay, center alignment, size 7, width 80%, okay, and color red. After that H2 and H3, okay, H2 aligned to the right, heading label 2, H2 close, H3 align equal to right, heading level 3, H3 is close. After that HR size equal to 4 aligned to the right. So after this one HR is there, is aligned to the right and the color is equal to hash, then 2 times 0 ff, then 00. It's your hexadecimal color code, that is after hash 2 digit is for red frequency, then second is second two digits are green, and then last is blue. So this is your RGB frequency, you can use in hexadecimal. Okay, after that H4 and H5, it is default alignment, so it is aligned to the left hand side, and here HR size equal to 6 and aligned to the left, right, and width 80%, color is blue, so last HR color is blue, width 80%, size is 6 and it is aligned to the left, right, it is aligned to the left, right. Then last heading label is what? H6 aligned to the center, heading label 6. It's the smallest in the size. So H6 close, body close, then HTML close. This way we are going to save our web page in my folder. Okay, and here you can see the different size of your heading level, that is highest level heading, then one size less, one size less. Okay, and your smallest is S6. So this is your highest level heading and these are your HRs. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you.